So yes, as we were speaking, the number one variable that we have to play with is the characteristics of the animal, right? The weight, the size, and the speed of the animal all play a big role. Later down the presentation, we will share one of the equations that we use for dynamic impact loading, and you'll see that every single one of these factors plays a role in the impact force. The weight and the size, they're more determined, they're more finite. However, on the speed is where the design with the architect and the landscaping team, there's a lot of possibilities to limit the speed that the animal can attain. You know, there can be variations on the landscaping, variations, and Stewart will touch on that in a little bit, how to prevent the animal from sprinting full on speed to the maximum speed that it would attain in the savannah in Africa, you know, and compare that to the enclosure. Here is an example from a project that we were involved in which this was a very good, well put together set of specifications that outline and detail some of this information that I'm referring to. And you could see that many times they provide us with that top speed. But those top speeds, we have to interpret if that is the speed in the wild or if it's the speed that they have calculated to be attainable at the given enclosure.
Yeah, because it says animal speed on land.
Is that in the wild or in the enclosure?